So welcome back to the channel. So let me give my weekly outlook for gold. You can see there's divergence here now. So I expect price to pull back, which price did. Price pull back to this level here. So right now we're expecting that price should push up. That's what we're actually expecting. The price should push up, back up again. So currently we know that it's very likely that gold might go up again, up to probably 4.6. Yeah, but for now, since there is divergence, we'll go to smaller time frame. You will see that the price dropped. Because why the price dropped? Let me show you. Now, if you see this higher time frame that you are seeing now, you see that price has been forming higher high here. If you notice it, let me enable the tools for you guys to see. Yeah, you will see that price has been formed something like this high, then come back again. At the same time, this was a zone. You will see that. Okay. So let me go back ahead. So as you guys can see, now price still went up again like this. Price went up, it came back here, then it went higher. Now as it went higher, instead of it to come back to this demand level, you know what price now did? It broke it. So anytime the price break a major demand level, expecting a kind of retest so it can come down. That's why you see I sold there. That's the reason for my entry. So far, that's what am I expecting for gold this week. There are two things. I'm expecting price to retest this level and probably bounce up back. That's what I'm expecting. But since price did not give us a solid confirmation on this level here, which is this, price have retested, and we're expecting price to come back to this level. If you notice very well, market structure is very important. So you can see on 1 hour time frame now, it has eradicated all the demand layer, and it came back to this fresh one. Look at it on 30-minute time frame now. Eradicated this demand. This demand was fresh before. It was retested by this week. Let me mark it for you guys to see. See. It retested it, then it came back down and broke it massively. So anytime something like this happened, we're expecting price to give us a retest. So price came back and went back to that side. That's why you see I entered the sell there. And I put my stop loss. Let me go to 15. My stop loss actually is below this zone on 5 minutes. Yeah, below this zone. Actually, this is where my stop loss is. So see, actually it's a very nice trade. It's a very nice trade. So I'm expecting price to just give us 1 to 2. Yeah, 1 to 2. So let's see what happens for the week. So far now we know that okay, we're expecting gold to be bearish, to be bullish once it comes back to that zone. But let's just see what happens. Let's see what happens. Call the divergence. It just retested this zone and it went back. And so anything can happen. Price can actually come back down a little bit more. But so far, my forecast is that for gold to go back to like 4.6 for the week. And if it doesn't go back, you know, of course, the expecting price will come back to this level since it has retested this level. Yeah, that will be all for this video, guys.